नस्ट इक्वेशन काय होता, E of cell potential is equal to E naught of cell, that is standard cell potential, minus, we'll put it like this, 0.059 divided by n. N is the number of moles of electron transferred, into log concentration of products to the concentration of reactants. Okay, this was the reaction here. Reactants with number of moles A, number of moles small b, reactant B, products are produced. This was the reaction here. Now students, if concentration of reactants is equal to the concentration of products, then what will happen? What will be the cell potential of the cell? It will be cell potential when in standard conditions minus 0.059 divided by n log 1, because they are getting cancelled with each other. Log 1 is 0, cancels, hence E of cell is equal to E naught of cell, means the cell potential becomes equal to the standard potential of the cell. एक example देते तुम्हाला, एक cell notation घेऊया with cadmium in solid form which acts as anode, oxidized to give cadmium ions, copper which acts as cathode, reduced to form copper, deposit in the form of copper, RHS cathode, LHS anode, Visru Naka. Okay, this is 1 molar, even this is 1 molar here. We are taking 1 molar, that's it. आता हे ह्या टिपिकल रिॲक्शनला कसं अप्लाय करायचं, आय शो यू. एनोड लेफ्ट हँड साइड, ऑक्सिडेशन टेक्स प्लेस, मीन्स cadmium dissociates to form cadmium ions, liberating 2 electron, oxidation. Okay, copper takes up the electrons and deposits in the form of copper. This is reduction. Overall reaction, काही करून इलेक्ट्रॉन्सला कॅन्सल करायचं ते ठरलेलं आहे. सो वी गेट cadmium cuprate ions giving rise to Cd+2 plus copper solid. That's it. कळते मुलांनो? हां, Cd plus Cu+2 giving rise to Cd+2 plus copper solid. That's it. आता तुम्हाला सांगायचं काय, हे ह्या इक्वेशन मध्ये कसं अप्लाय करायचं बघा. Therefore, how to calculate the cell potential, students? It will be E naught of the cell minus 0.059. How many moles of electrons are transferred? 2. 2 moles of electrons are transferred. Log of concentration of products to the concentration of reactants. तुम्ही म्हणाल टीचर कॉपर सॉलिड आणि कॅडमियम तुम्ही लिहिलंच नाही, बिकॉज कॅडमियम आयॉन इज नॉट ओनली फॉर्म्ड, इवन कॉपर इज डिपॉझिटेड. कॅडमियम सॉलिड इज नॉट ओनली अंडरगोइंग डिसोसिएशन, इवन क्युप्रेट आयॉन्स आर अंडरगोइंग. मग तुम्ही ते का नाही लिहिलं, बिकॉज कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ कॅडमियम अँड कॉपर इज टेकन ॲज 1 युनिटी म्हणतात त्याला. स्टुडंट्स, प्युअर लिक्विड असेल किंवा सॉलिड असेल, द कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन इज टेकन ॲज युनिटी. प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस. दिस इज हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू अप्लाय द नर्स्ट इक्वेशन फॉर सच रिॲक्शन्स हिअर. आय रिपीट, हा रिॲक्शन घेतलेला हा तुमचा नर्स्ट इक्वेशन. हां, इफ कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ रिॲक्टंट्स अँड प्रोडक्ट्स आर इक्वल टू इच अदर, द सेल पोटेन्शियल इज इक्वल टू द स्टँडर्ड सेल पोटेन्शियल, नो डाऊट. एक एक्झाम्पल म्हणून आपण कॅडमियम ॲनोड घेतला, कॉपर कॅथोड घेतला. ऑक्सिडेशन ॲट ॲनोड, reduction as cathode, काही करून use any numerical factor and cancel the number of electrons, you get this. Students, linear Cousin-Nernst equation ह्या particular reaction ला E of cell is equal to E naught of cell minus 0.0592 log of concentration of products upon the reactants. I have not taken copper and cadmium. Why? Because their concentrations are equal to 1 as they are in pure solid form. That's it. Are you okay here? हा एक पार्ट झाला. आता पुढचा पार्ट स्टुडंट्स नीट ऐका हा. Carefully listen. This is one here. Now we will continue. We will obtain the expression for electrical work done or electrical energy. What is electrical work done? Chemistry and physics थोड़ा similar. Work done is potential multiplied by charge. Electrical work done or electrical energy. Electrostatics मध्ये शिकवलं. It is potential multiplied by charge. Students, हाच फॉर्म्युला इथं केमिस्ट्री मध्ये कसं लिहायचा? The electrical work done or the electrical energy in a given cell, in a given galvanic cell, which consists of two half cells and one half cell oxidation, that is anode, and one half cell reduction, cathode. The two electrodes are interconnected by voltmeter. So how do you write here? Work done will be what? Charge as usual. Charges transfer होतो multiplied by the cell potential which is developed due to transfer of electrons. Students, what is total charge? It is nothing but NF. तुम्ही म्हणा टीचर NF म्हणजे काय? F म्हणजे फॅरेडे. फॅरेडे म्हणजे काय? Charge on 1 mole of electrons. Number of electrons, whatever is the charge on 1 mole of electrons, it is Faraday, F, whose value is 96,500 coulombs. Multiplied by N, 1 mole of electron carries a charge of 96,500 coulomb. N mole of electrons, N into F. Correct? That is the thing here. So, therefore, what is the work done? Students, work done is NF E of cell potential, number of moles of electrons, charge on 1 mole of electron which is called F, that is Faraday, multiplied by the cell potential. That's it. Students, for a galvanic cell, नीट बघा हा, मी तुम्हाला एक पॉइंट सांगते. For a galvanic cell, you know that galvanic cell is the one where the reaction taking place is spontaneous. Spontaneous म्हणजे the Gibbs energy is negative. Now what is Gibbs energy? Let me remind you. आपण घेतलेलं delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. This is Gibbs energy which relates enthalpy, that is heat energy, and entropy which is the randomness. That's it. T is the temperature. Okay. So, why for a galvanic cell delta G is negative? The question comes because the reaction is spontaneous, and for spontaneous reaction always Gibbs energy is negative. म्हणजे काय येणार मुलांनो? For a galvanic cell, as the reaction is spontaneous, work done is minus delta G. Whatever is the Gibbs energy which the work done is negative. Negative का बरं? Because the reaction is spontaneous. That's it. Work done is energy मुलांनो. Therefore, what do we get here? इथं घाला ती condition. ये देखो. Put it here. Therefore, minus delta G is equal to NF E of cell. Gibbs energy is a extensive property. What is the meaning? Gibbs energy is extensive property, means it depends upon the amount of matter present in the given chemical reaction. जेवढं मास आहे, जेवढं मॅटर आहे, जेवढं अमाउंट ऑफ लिक्विड, सॉलिड, वॉट एव्हर इट इज त्याच्यावरती अवलंबून आहे. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एक्सटेन्सिव्ह प्रॉपर्टी. आता ह्या रिलेशन बसून सांगा, सेल पोटेन्शियल इज इक्वल टू व्हॉट? इट इज मायनस डेल्टा जी अपॉन NF. कळतंय? If students, during a given chemical reaction the galvanic cell is the combination of oxygen and reduction reaction. If the total amount of substance is doubled, number of moles of electrons get doubled, number of electrons transferred are doubled, Gibbs energy gets doubled. Why? Because it's an extensive property, depends upon the amount of matter. Matter double केला की Gibbs energy double झाली, कारण ते extensive property आहे. मला सांगा काय फरक पडला का? नाही. So the cell potential is remaining as it is. It is minus delta G divided by NF. सांगायचं काय इथं? Though Gibbs energy is an extensive property, still cell potential is an intensive property. Why? Because it does not depend on amount of matter. Matter double हो नाहीतर single असो, the cell potential remains as it is. कळतंय? I'll repeat. Work done is charge multiplied by cell potential. Total charge is number of moles of electrons multiplied by the charge on 1 mole of electron, which is called Faraday, whose value is 96,500 coulomb. Therefore, work done is NF of E of cell. For a galvanic cell where spontaneous reaction takes place, work done is the Gibbs energy, which is negative. What is Gibbs energy? Which relates the heat energy and the randomness of the reaction. So minus स्पॉन्टॅनियसला नेगेटिव्हच असते मुलांनो, हे आपण ऑलरेडी डिस्कस केले. मायनस डेल्टा जी इज इक्वल टू NF ऑफ E ऑफ सेल. Delta G is an extensive property, meaning it depends upon the amount of matter. If during the course of the redox reaction, the amount of substance gets doubled, number of moles of electrons getting transferred also gets doubled, but E of cell remains the same. म्हणजे cell potential is an intensive property, means it does not depend on the amount of substance as the Gibbs energy. Gibbs energy depend होते, पण cell potential no. That's it. Clear? Next, what is the relation between cell potential the cell potential and equilibrium constant? Now, आपण ऑलरेडी स्टडी केलं आहे की गिब्स एनर्जी डेल्टा जी इज इक्वल टू मायनस RT नॅचरल लॉग ऑफ K. K इज द इक्विलिब्रियम कॉन्स्टंट. मला सांगा, व्हॉट इज डेल्टा जी? मायनस NF E ऑफ सेल इज इक्वल टू मायनस RT natural log of K, which can be written as 2.303 log K to the base 10. Minus turns plus E of cell is equal to RT 2.303 upon N F. You already are aware, 96,500 log K. R ची व्हॅल्यू घाला 8.314. हां, 8.314. T समजा टेम्परेचर 25 डिग्री सेल्सिअस घेतलं म्हणजे 298 केल्विन घेतलं, 2.303 घेतलं जसं दिलंय. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स तसंच ठेवा. फॅरेडे इज अ चार्ज ऑन 1 मोल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, 96,500 log K. The value comes out to be 0.059 log K to the base 10. This is the relation between the cell potential. This is the relation between the cell potential and the equilibrium constant. What is it? It is like this. I'll repeat. Cell delta G, Gibbs energy and equilibrium constant are related by this relation. Delta G ची व्हॅल्यू घातली. This is it. हे बघा, हां, नेगेटिव्ह साइन का आली ते तुम्हाला कळलं. ओके, नॅचरल लॉग कन्वर्टेड इनटू लॉग बेस 10 सिस्टम. ई ऑफ सेल सगळी व्हॅल्यूज घातले, टेम्परेचर घेतला 25 डिग्री सेल्सिअस और 298 केल्विन्स. ओके, व्हॅल्यूज घातले. सॉरी, इथं एन येणार हा मुलांना, कारण 8.314 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय 298 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय 2.303 डिवाइडेड बाय 96,500 upon N log K. This is the relation between cell potential and the equilibrium constant. Concept clear? ओके येस. फॉर टुडे आय विल स्टॉप. टुमॉरो विल बिगिन विथ द लास्ट पार्ट नाव. आता हाही मोठा टॉपिक आहे पण संपत आला. आय स्टार्ट विथ द नेक्स्ट दॅट इज केमिकल कायनेटिक्स व्हेरी सून. हे क्लिअर झालंय तुम्हाला? ठीक आहे, चलो विल स्टॉप.